Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by ensuring the basics won't block power. Use an Apple-certified charger and a working outlet. Once connected, hold the side button for at least 10 seconds to force any response. You may feel a short vibration or see a tiny LED. Make sure the watch sits flush on the charging puck and clean any grime off contacts. Dust prevents magnetic alignment and charging current. If nothing happens, swap the charger and cable. Sometimes a faulty cable is the only barrier to rebooting the watch. If charging didn't work, perform a force restart by holding the side button and digital crown together for 10 to 15 seconds. This clears stalled firmware loops. If the Apple logo still fails to appear, prepare to enter DFU mode by using a Mac or PC with Finder or iTunes and a known good USB cable, plus the official USB adapter. Keep the watch on the charger while connecting to the computer so the device gets stable power. This prevents mid-process shutdown and increases the chance of successful recovery. In DFU mode, use Finder or iTunes to detect the Apple Watch and install a fresh Watch OS image. The tool guides you through restoring firmware and eliminates corrupted system files. Once restored, unpair and repair the watch to your iPhone, then run a full update and test battery life, sensors, and screen responsiveness. If the restore fails or you get persistent error codes, try a different computer and cable. If problems persist, contact Apple support or an authorized repair center. Document errors to speed diagnostics and parts replacement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.